guys, my name is Enyo Tanaka. Today I will explain new video tutorial about how to download private video from Instagram. First of all, you need to go on your Instagram, and I want to download this video. Click copy link, open your browser and search for this site, download video from Instagram. Go to this site, past, download. You can see you cannot download this video because it's private. Now, if you want to download your any private video, you need to download this application. Story Save. Open this application. Search for user. Click paste. Click in this button. If you want to watch video, go to gallery and play video. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video.